again, Louise Phillips Forbes, and I have another fantastic home for you to experience today in the heart of Tribeca, 100 Barclay Street, apartment 17N, standing high in the sky with a lot of sun-drenched southern exposure. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just shy of 2,000 square feet. Can't wait to show it off to you. In 2014, the entire building was reimagined. What I love most about 17N, and honestly, it was the first sellout of any of the 3 bedrooms when the building was first opened for sale. It's because of the southern light, but the volume of the rooms. You have almost 30 feet by almost 17 feet wide for your living. And your open style kitchen is just so inviting to have everyone connected. And as we all know, your kitchen is the heart of your home. So you can never be excluded, only included. You also have, with the 10-foot ceilings, you have these 7-foot casement windows. You have multi-zoned air conditioning, ensuite bathrooms, and don't forget the den. When the kids don't want to hang out during the party, they can go and tuck away and have their own movie night. "100 Barclay" was designed by the famous Ralph Walker, considered the father of Art Deco. And it used to be an office building, so the scale of the hallways of everything is grand and gracious. But the one thing you must experience is that this is a building of not just beautiful residents, but it is a lifestyle building with 40,000 square feet of amenities. When you come home, you can do almost anything you wish. Thank you so much for joining me today at 100 Barclay. For 17N, again, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes from Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm waiting to hear from you.